Today I'm gonna show you how to create this 3D door card. Let's begin with the mechanism. You need a piece of paper measuring 2 by 8.5 centimeters. 5 here, 1.5 here, and 1 at each tip. Proceed to cut the paper and get this shape. Then fold and glue the sides together to create a thinner but sturdier strip. It should look like this. Moving on, take a quarter of an A4 sized paper, draw and cut a rectangle 5 centimeters away from the left edge. This will serve as your door. You can use it as it is. I swapped mine with a brown piece of paper. Now feel free to decorate your door as you like, and remember to add a charming doorknob. This one looks so cute! Next, let's create the cover. Using glue, attach one end of the strip at 1.5 centimeters from the center. Insert the piece of paper containing the door hole and glue the other end. I'm also adding a black piece of paper for more depth. Now you can position and glue your door in place. I printed out a message to add to the left part of the card and also added an illustration to embellish the cover. There you have it, the final result. Would you like to see more tutorials? May all the doors open for you.